Hey y'all, hey, so today we are going to store this rice. These are some lids that I got from the $1.25 store. This is my brake bleeder that I ordered, and this is a top that I ordered that didn't fit to my food saver, but I kept it because I could use it with the brake bleeder. Today I am going to store this parboiled rice. And the reason why I'm doing this is because these can be, oh yeah, and let's not forget the funnel. This rice can be stored indefinitely. And yes, you can add an oxygen absorption little thingy in there, but I don't have any. And this is my kitchen and my rules, and I'm doing it my way. So move along. So what I like to do is start by filling these up. And this is a really large bag I got from Aldi. And the parboiled rice, a lot of times I use it when I like pre-can. I have like cooked rice on the shelf that I store. And instead of having it just sitting around in a bag, I said, okay, let me go ahead and whip out my little situation and store it. Now that bag, I don't know how big it was, but it was pretty big. It filled up all three of these and had some leftovers. So the leftover part, I'll probably go ahead and cook for the day. But as you can see, everything is filled up. That one hit a little bit more, and I changed my mind, and I was like, oh, let me take that out. We don't want no problems. So I go ahead and add my lids. Everything is clean. The jars are clean and been washed and dried, and there's nothing obstructing the rim. And I just go ahead and add my food saver thingy, and I just go ahead and start pumping this. Now, it can be taxing on the hand, but I just pretty much pump it until the gauge stops. Generally, with mine, that's about between the 15 and the 20. So I just keep pumping it until it stops. I'm looking at the gauge, and once it stops, I just basically pull that out. Sometimes you can hear it pop when you pull it out, but then I pull the lid off. The little rubber piece come off as well, but you can just pop it back in, and it is sealed. And as you can see, I'm gonna turn it upside down. It's fully sealed. That's it. I couldn't even do that with my food saver when I bought the attachments. Anywho, let me do it again. I just pretty much put that in there, and I start pumping. Because the lid is already in place, it's gonna put the right amount of pressure on top of it to create the seal that I'm looking for. This is something that I only do for dry foods, so yeah. Now what I will do is go ahead and link this actual brake bleeder that I purchased because it was a really good price compared to like if you go into the store. I can add the suction cup, and I do know a good place to get some lids because I just ordered some wide ones from that company, and they were great. And of course, yeah, that was the second one, and I'm going to speed it up a little bit and go through the third one because by this point in time, we are all experts, and we going to get our food about them plastic bags and go ahead and store them in the shelf or, cabinet, pantry, whatever. That's what we going to do, okay? All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next time.